Doctors making a desperate plea for help to the Dutch parliament. All academic hospitals in the country are ready to accept and treat dozens of children from Gaza. But despite weeks of putting pressure on the government, none have been allowed in. More than 15,000 patients, including nearly 4,000 children, urgently need to be evacuated according to the World Health Organization or WHO. Hospitals in the Middle East, like in Egypt, have accepted more than 7,000 patients but can no longer cope.
EU countries, I must say, I'm really disappointed. We talk about 350 patients, and the majority of that is Italy. I think it's way too late. It's way too late. It's quite astounding that this takes so much time.
Dr. Shakib Sana tried for weeks to save the life of 15-month-old Chut Awad. She died of leukemia the same day Parliament voted against accepting medical evacuees.
She didn't have to die because we can treat her. It's a treatable and in principle treatable disease. And we see we have also one of the best children cancer treatment center here in Europe. So this gives for us the responsibility.
Minister of Foreign Affairs David van Weel does not specify how many sick children the government will now accept.
So what we're doing now is stepping in and making sure that we can do our part.
The WHO this morning in a meeting here said it was incomprehensible that the Dutch government has waited so long to make this decision to accept a few.
Well, that's up to the Dutch government to make that decision, and that's what we've done now. As I said, we give priority to providing care in the region. There are still working healthcare systems in the region. There's also a lot of countries in the region.
But if the hospitals in the Netherlands say it's fine, we can accept them, we are ready, why is it so difficult to let them come?
Because it's not only about the hospitals.
Doctors have not only pointed at the moral responsibility of the Netherlands to help patients from Gaza, but also its legal obligation to help children in need of care. But with elections looming and anti-immigration sentiments on the rise, some say politics are being played over the back of sick and wounded Palestinian children. Aid organizations say a lot more children than just a few urgently need help.
That's a drop in the ocean. If you see that 80% of the evacuees are going to the neighboring countries in the region, and Europe is only responsible for 4%, we really need to step up our efforts.
Talking from Gaza, a doctor told politicians they decide between life or death of very sick children. Hospitals in the Netherlands say treatment can start any minute the government opens the door. Vaessen, Al Jazeera in The Hague.
Don't miss out. Get a full picture. Subscribe to Al Jazeera for reliable news, expert insight. Like, share, stay ahead.